What's up, YouTubers? This is Sean coming right back to you with another episode of Yummyyy Eats. As you see, the caption says today we're making some good old fried deviled eggs. Be right back at you in a second. Alright, we'll go over the ingredients for today. We're going to need some hard-boiled eggs, already boiled these. We're going to need some flour, some chipotles, diced. You can get these over in the international food section in the grocery stores. Salt, pepper, some bacon already cooked and diced, apple cider vinegar, some mayonnaise, mustard, sweet relish, some panko, breadcrumbs, and some canola oil. Alright, so these are most of the ingredients you're going to need. We're going to go ahead and get started by showing you how I prepare the eggs and get them in the fryer. I'll be right back. Alright, so I already took the eggs, I split them in half, cut the egg yolks out. Now I need to break these down. It's easiest to use a fork to do this. Next, I put a little mayonnaise. Go out with a little bit more than a tablespoon or so. Had a little mess there, but we alright. We'll work through it. Might have to come back and add a little bit more mayonnaise, but let's go ahead and get my hands clean. Add some mustard. Maybe a half a teaspoon. Then we're going with a little bit of relish. Maybe a teaspoon worth. Alright, now I'm going with the diced chipotle peppers. We'll do maybe a half a teaspoon of that. This is adding your spice to it, so you can add as much as you like. If you like it spicy, go ahead and add a little bit more. But you might want to add a little bit of sugar to it if you add a lot of those chipotles. Just add a little sweetness to it. So salt, we're going to come back and taste this to get the right combination of spices. Some pepper. A little bit of apple cider vinegar, no more than a capful. Alright, let's stir this up. What are we looking at? Only doing three large eggs, so it don't take too much. Yeah, the consistency is not too bad. I think I can work with that. So now we're going to add in my favorite, some bacon bits. Just fold those in. And let me give this a quick little taste. That's pretty good. What I'm gonna do is add a little bit of sugar, give me a pinch of honey, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get everything ready. See you back in a little bit. Alright, I got my dredging station ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and salt, pepper, season my flour. Once I got my flour seasoned the way I want it, you can season your flour however you want to, or you don't even have to if you don't want to. It's all up to you. Alright, so I like to try to do the wet hand, dry hand method. Alright. So this is gonna be my dry hand. On the right, coat it with flour first. Then I dip it in my eggs. Then from the egg, go to the panko. And take off the excess, and we do it all over again. Flour to the egg. To the panko. Repeat the process for the rest of the eggs. Alright, so I'll get these together and I'll see you back at the frying station. Alright, so now we got our fry station ready. I got my eggs battered up, had a couple technical difficulties with some of them. It was happening more when I was peeling them, but anyway, get the general idea. Alright, so I'm gonna put them in here. You just do about 3 at a time. And they don't take too long to brown up. Just cook them until they get golden brown. Maybe a minute or so on either side. Alright. They're about ready to come on off. I'm gonna finish frying these up and I'll be right back at you. And we're gonna add the filling to the eggs. Alright, see you in a bit. Alright, got my filling. As we see, we try to make it look like this. You can do it anywhere you want to. Some people use the Ziploc bags. You probably get a prettier result. I just get it, put a scoop in there. So, and I use my fingers to make sure it sits down in the hole. I just rinse and repeat. Sometimes I take an extra egg, hard-boiled egg, and use the yolk and egg whites to add to the mixture to make sure I have enough. Alright, so that's what we're looking at so far. There we have it, the final product, fried double eggs. I took the liberty to garnish it with some smoked paprika and some bacon bits, and I'm big right on the end of these. Thank you for your time, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for notifications. I'll see you around. Thanks.
This is a warm welcome from the bottom of our hearts from the Foreshore Family channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. Until next time, see ya!